Hello, and welcome to Keynote. I'm your host, Elizabeth Moore. In our November episode, you heard Chef Marcus Samuelsson talk about Dora Wat, a savory Ethiopian chicken stew that often headlines holiday tables and celebrations. Here he shares a recipe for a healthy bread called injera that's served with Dora Wat to soak up all that deliciousness. Injera is made with teff flour, which is high in protein and fiber and is naturally gluten-free. It can be found at most health food stores as well as at Whole Foods and through Amazon. You can find the recipes for both Dora Wat and injera in Chef Marcus's cookbook, The Rise. For a chance to win an autographed copy, check out the pinned giveaway post at the top of our Facebook and Instagram channels. But hurry, our book giveaway expires Thursday, November 28th.
Injera bread is made with teff and you ferment it with water and let it sit overnight. And now you have this almost like a crepe batter that you cook like a crepe, but you don't flip it. So you cook it in a pan, in a nonstick pan or an electric pan. And you actually cover it with a little bit, with a lid. And then we get ice. It starts to pop a little bit, but you don't flip it.
Uh-huh.
So it's similar to a crepe, very similar to an Indian dosa, which is made with lentils. And again, because it's fermented, it's excellent for your digestion system, right? So the looking outside America and into cultures that are very much in America today is an excellent way to figure navigating through your health, right? There's basically Ethiopian restaurants in every major city. Going there, having a vegetarian meal and dipping and understanding it. It's a great way to then maybe to build up to Dora Wat, and then one day maybe try to make it yourself.
For more information on what you heard today, please check our show notes. And remember, subscribe to Health is the Key wherever you get your podcasts. This podcast and its content are presented solely for general informational and entertainment purposes. The information and opinions provided on this podcast are not intended as legal or medical advice and do not constitute or serve as a substitute for professional medical or psychological treatment, diagnosis, therapy, or other types of professional intervention.